Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat sri akal. Welcome back to yet another biryani episode. I'm very excited today because a lot of friends have recommended this restaurant of biryani where I'm going to eat today. And it is a fine dining restaurant in Munich, Germany. So you start guessing and I'll take you to the restaurant. So today we are in Madam Chutney. Take the video parcel of biryani. Guys, I'm just excited. I just reached home. See a lovely package I got from them. It's called Madam Chutney Modern Indian Kitchen. So lovely packet. And let's see what we have inside. Wow. Oh, this is biryani. Oh, lovely packed. Very, very good packing. Biryani. Chicken biryani. And we have lovely raita. So we have raita here. And this is a gift from the chef. So he gave me this gift. Thank you very much, chef. If you're watching this video, thank you for this lovely drink. It's called, I think it's mango lassi. And see, it's nicely packed. It's called Madam Chutney. The name is there also. So guys, lovely packing, everything. Let us reveal. And I will take a picture for my Instagram first. All the details of the restaurant, you can get it in my Instagram account. I'll share you the link. Oh, nice. See, this nice packed. Oh, you have nuts. I think everything. You have nuts, raisin. So please, again, if you are allergic to the nuts, you can tell them. Then you have coriander and mince also. So I'll take a picture and then we'll see the food. So this biryani, and it's northern style biryani, so Delhi biryani, especially the capital of India, Delhi. So the chef had told me it's a Delhi style biryani, and I have paid around, let's see, €16.50 for this biryani. So the price is €16.50, and let's put how much we have here. Oops, sorry. I can fill up because so let's see. So it says 627 grams of biryani. So I'll bring it to close. So it's 627. Okay, and now we see what we have here. This is very good. This is the first restaurant where I'm eating the biryani with bone. I love this because biryani is tasty with bones. Because every restaurant they use chicken breast and that is dry. And here's this one. So one chicken quarter. I think it's one chicken quarter. So one portion is very good. And here, so the rice here, it's a basmati rice, nicely, and I can see some ground whole spice also like cardamom. Very good. This gives flavor to the rice. Very good. Cardamom is there, and some green chili. I can see some green chili. which is nice, you know. So I only see cardamom, green chili, some bay leaf. So you have whole spice also, which is very good, you know. So it gives you spice to the rice and flavor. So now, as usual, we start. So accompaniment, you have one raita and biryani. So it's normal, you know. So I'll give around 3 for this. And now we'll see the flavor of rice. How is the flavor of rice? Bismillah. You know, I asked for spicy. So for that reason, they put green chili and just give you a kick. Very nice. Nicely flavor. Wow, the coriander is there, mint is there. Ginger is very nice. Firstly, the rice is very good. The flavor of the rice is very, very good. You know, I'll give a 4 for this. Now let me try the meat. So let me see the meat. Oh, it's nice. Let's see. So the meat, it's not so spicy. The meat, it's mild, and it's like so it's not spicy. It's soft. That's not dry. It's good. Let's see this one. And it's cooked nicely, so it's This is a little bit dry. This is a dry a little bit. I think it should be a little bit more soft and tender, you know. I go for this one, but this one a little bit dry. So I'll give the quality of meat, I'll give 3. And let's see. So now the flavor for everything, you know, the taste, overall taste. You know, I'll have the raita. It's lovely raita. It's thick, it's good. You can taste the chaat masala inside this. Raita is thick, it's good. Some coriander. So if you don't like coriander, just tell the chef not to put coriander. I like coriander. And you have some jewels like pomegranate, you know. This is good. It gives a tangy taste. I'll have the lassi. Thank you for the lassi, chef. It's thick. It's sweeter, it's good. It's good. So I'll give whole experience, I'll give around 4 for the overall taste. So I think I'll give 4 for this restaurant out of 5, which is very good. And some for the restaurant, I think I spoke with the chef and he told me that it's a Delhi style biryani, and they have like the famous dishes. I'll drop everything in my Instagram, but I think the butter chicken and chole bhature and papri chaat are the best dishes, one of the famous dishes they have in this restaurant. And it's I have a lot of friends have suggested me about this restaurant, and they say it's a very good restaurant. You can have authentic street food also over there. And so guys, this was my restaurant, this was my biryani taste of this restaurant, Madam Chutney. And if you are new to my channel, if you have not seen my episode of biryani, I have few episodes, and I'll link the first episode. You can go and watch from the first episode. And if you are new to this my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, which can help me to grow. And I'll see you next Sunday with a new delicious biryani episode. Thank you. Bye bye.